economy indicates that there are more than 1.5 million cyber attacks on public portals and websites on a daily basis. In 2021, 71% of organizations in Nigeria recorded cyber attacks that resulted to huge loss of revenue.
The threat posed by the terrorists and the criminal element to exploit the cyberspace and the Nigerian Army Information Communication System necessitated the establishment of Nigerian Army Cyber Warfare Command and indeed the school.
This maiden cyber security workshop, organized by the Nigerian Army Cyber Warfare School in Abuja, is focusing on the role of information technology to national security against cyber attacks.
This will equip the Nigerian Army with expertise and knowledge of integrating cybersecurity into military operations, doctrines, and tactics, as well as exploring the role of cyber warfare in contemporary military activity. Cyber threats can come from many sources, including foreign governments, criminal organizations, hackers groups, as well as individuals.
The Nigerian Army Cyber Warfare School was established in 2018 to provide skilled and innovative cyber warriors capable of operating in single and joint environment. From the Nigerian Army Cyber Warfare School in Giri, Abuja, Ismail Musa, NTA News.